Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss incredible and satisfying machines and tools. Let us discuss manufacturing process of flexible and seamless copper at Siebel Cablo. Before we start the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon. Let's jump into the video. The raw material, which is used for this, is pure copper plates. The copper plates are melted in oven at a temperature of 1085 degrees Celsius. After melting, the furnace is directed to the tube formers. The rolling mills continuously from the tubes and are cooled with water. These seamless, flexible copper tubes are used in refrigeration systems. This is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the video. And also please make sure to subscribe to our channel for more video like this. Thanks.